Binance overview balance transfer. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to see it. First up, after you open up your Binance, go to assets. After you go to assets, so my balance is in funding. I'll select funding. So I'll scroll to down. I'll use this one. So after I select this one, so the next thing to do, I will select this send button. So click on this on-chain withdrawal. After you select the on-chain withdrawal, so now paste in the address in this option. Tap and hold and paste in the address. So now select the network in this option. I'll use this BSC network. After you select the network, so now type in the amount in this option. So I'll let's say go with this 10. After you type in the amount, so as you can see now here is the overview. So as you can see now here is the overview. So the overview for this one, it says here is it now. So the overview for this one is, let me take this one to up. So here is now as you can see now the overview. So I add as you can see now 10 USD, but I will be receiving 9.99 USD. This according my network that I selected. Some network they charge more than that. So now as you can see now, if I now click on this network, let's say I'll change the network, let's say to Ethereum. So as you can see now, the Ethereum network is charges $1 per transaction. As you can see now, I'll be receiving 9. As you can see now, I'll be receiving 9 USD. So this is according to network. So the most cheapest network is BSC network. That's the first one. And this network, as you can see now, is as you can see now as well, is cheap. So you go ahead now and choose the cheapest network. After you choose the cheapest network, your overview will be in this option. As you can see now, this is the overview section. So that's it, guys, on how to see overview of your transfer in Binance. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe.